Hello everyone, today Energetica India is here at the REI Expo Day 2, bringing you the latest insights from the renewable energy experts. So today we have with us Mr. Manoj Jain, Director Microtech. Hello sir, how are you?
Fine, yeah.
So sir, my question is, what products are you showcasing at the expo today?
See, as a Microtech, we have all India presence. In the solar segment, we have the every solution which is meant for the any customer. Any type of a customer, who is small customer, big customer, we have a complete solution. We have a complete range of power products which cater every power need of the power backup solution, power needs of the customer. It can be a solar off-grid inverters, it can be a hybrid inverters, it can be a on-grid inverters, it may be panels, it may be solar wire, and it can be normal house inverters, normal batteries, normal even lithium batteries. We have our own manufactured wires. So Microtech is the only company in the India who is into such a huge manufacturing base and with a complete backward integration. And as far as solar is concerned, I can say with a proud that Microtech is the only company who is having such a big range of solar products which can cater each and every need of the every kind of customer.
Okay. So my next question is, amid the geopolitical tensions that are going on, what is your plan if there is a supply chain disruption?
See, Microtech is the only company in India who believes in the Make in India. Today, the what Make in India facilities Microtech is having, nobody in India, any brand, anybody is having in India. I can challenge this. We are the one who is having almost 100% backward integration. We have 5 lakh inverters manufacturing capacity of every month. We have our own service network base with having more than 1200 engineers across India. So if any geopolitical condition is there, we are well equipped. We are the only one in India who have manufactured in-house grid tie inverters and got BIS done also. It is not only that importing and getting it the BIS done, we have our own manufactured, we have got the BIS done. The only Microtech is the brand who has entered into this league.
So, sir, can you tell us about your expansion plans in terms of any new facilities or capacity expansion?
We are already expanding into the lithium manufacturing. We are already expanding into grid tie inverters manufacturing capacity because we have having regular meetings with the MNRE. So they are insisting for a Make in India concept. So we are continuously working on that so that we can produce full range of grid tie inverters, even a higher range in India itself. So that if any problem is there, geopolitical, maybe supply chain, Microtech is well equipped to take care of the all kind of needs. We are entering into the each and every kind of we believe in manufacturing. We are a manufacturing company basically. So manufacturing with the backward integration is the main motto going in the future.
Okay. So that answers all my questions. Thank you so much
Thank
for your
you,
time.
thank you, thank you.